Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee in Avatar World. First, you will need to find a coffee machine, which is usually in your home or a cafe. Next, gather your essential ingredients, coffee beans and a clean mug. Don't forget to locate a water source, like a tap, to ensure your machine has enough water for brewing. These simple steps set the stage for your perfect cup. Now, let's prepare the machine for brewing. Carefully place your coffee beans into the machine's designated compartment. Then, fill the water reservoir with fresh, clean water. Usually, a full reservoir holds enough for several cups. Finally, position your empty mug directly beneath the dispenser spout. This ensures your coffee will flow perfectly into your cup without any spills. With everything in place, it is time to brew. Simply press the main brew button on the coffee machine. The machine will then begin its process, grinding the beans and heating the water. In just a few moments, you will see your mug start to fill with rich, aromatic coffee. The brewing cycle typically takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete. Congratulations, your coffee is ready. Gently pick up your steaming mug from the machine's tray. If you prefer, you can customize your drink by adding milk or sugar, which are often found in your Avatar World kitchen. Now, find a comfortable spot, perhaps a comfy chair or a balcony, and savor your delicious, freshly made virtual coffee. Enjoy your moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.